Hello, sixth graders. Today's homework is about finding specific percents on tape diagrams. There are two problems I want you to do. We're actually going to do the second one here. This problem says, what percent of 32 is 8? And something that you've seen me do multiple times now is I have highlighted the word of and whatever comes right after it, 32. When I can find of, then I know the number that goes with it is the whole. So immediately I'm going to put 32 underneath 100% because that's the whole bar. And I'm going to write a fraction that has 32 as the denominator. Then I see that it says is 8, and the number that goes with is the part, and that becomes the numerator. Now I need to try to simplify this. So I am going to attempt to grab my calculator. Oh no, it went away. Here we go. Pull it up. All right. I know that half of 8 is 32. Sorry, half of 8 is 4. So my calculator, I'm going to do 32 divided by 2. 32 and a half is 16. So over here, I'm going to write divide by 2. Half of 8 is 4, and you just saw in my calculator, half of 32 is 16. And I'm going to try to simplify again, but this time instead of dividing by 2, I'm going to try to use the smaller number. So in the fraction 4/16, 4 is smaller. So in my calculator, we'll do 16 divided by 4. Oh, it is 4. So 16, should use this color, 16 divided by 4. Right, will get us 2. 16 divided by 4 was 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. I can do that in my calculator now. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Yep. So that means that I need to color in 1/4 of this long bar down below. Get rid of my calculator for now. Here we go. So this entire bar, I'm going to cut it in half. Then cut each half in half. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. And then color in just the first part. Immediately, I can write down the number 8. 8 was the part. Remember that from up here? 8 was the part. 8 goes at the end of the part that we colored in. So we're at a 0 here, which means we must be counting by 8. 0 plus 8 is 16, plus 8 is 24, and if I add 8 more, I will get to 32. So to figure out what to count by on the top, grab a different color here. To figure out these top numbers, these top percents, I'm going to take 100% and divide by the number of parts there are. Here we go. Pull it up. 100%, 100 divided into 4 parts, or split up into 4 parts, equals 25. So on top of the first line, we'll write 25. 25% plus 25 is 50. So the next line is 50%. The next line is 75%. Great. Now I'm going to get rid of my calculator. And I need to actually answer the question. It says, what percent of 32 is 8? So I'm going to find my 8, and on top, I see 25%, which means that the answer is 25%. It looks to me like I should have put up a different PDF. I'm going to put that up pretty soon. This doesn't quite match the sheet that I gave in class. You have a spot that says write the answer. The answer is 24%. Okay, so when you do your work for number 1, start by finding the whole. Start by saying it says of 20, 20 is the whole, and see if you can finish from there. Don't forget to turn it in when you're done.